And Judge, we have Detective Driscoll. Sorry, I cannot speak.
Detective, come on in here, will you? And call in Mr. Bologna.
Yes, Judge. How you doing? How are you this morning?
Not too bad. We'll see how this one goes. Your name, Detective?
Detective Sergeant Mark Driscoll with the Trent Police.
Yeah, call him. Your name, ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, Teresa Bebo?
Your Honor,
Your appearance.
for the record, just 30720.
Thanks.
I'd like to call you and the prosecutor in.
Prosecutors and what Judge House.
I could start off perhaps without the prosecutor, if I may.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I know Miss Riddle from some previous representation. She had a felony in front of this court for a preliminary exam, got found over. And after that preliminary exam, I was assigned a representative. She discharged me. There was no problems with that. It happens. And she went through a number of attorneys after that. And today, lo and behold, I saw her here, and I was going to represent her. She informed me that she'd rather have another counsel.
Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank at the City of Trenton, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I don't know what to say on this. You don't get to pick your.
In criminal court, if you have a court-appointed attorney, you don't get to swap lawyers just because you're uncomfortable or unhappy. There has to be a specific legal reason: conflict of interest, incompetence, ethical violation.
Wrong lawyer. What did Mr. Schloff do wrong?
No, it's just that he did not represent the.
Well, I don't know what that means. I mean, I don't know what that means. You got to be more specific. He's a good lawyer. Turn that microphone toward her, will you please?
He just didn't, I wanted him to be aware of certain things and handle things as a certain way. And I just not handle it with about.
On the other case? Yes?
Felony case.
Has he done anything wrong on this case?
Well, I mean, it's still, he's got that previous record.
What record?
Well.
You don't have a felony record, do you? Or a misdemeanor record? What record?
Just, I mean, I didn't like how the previous,
Ms. Riddle?
hearing.
Can I, I'm just gonna have a candid conversation. Mr. Bologna, your name?
Anthony Blank, City of Trenton.
Detective Driscoll, I got a disturbing call the other night about accusations that Ms. Riddle has levied against me.
Yes, Your Honor. If you need, for the record, I can send you a copy of.
Need it. I know.
Yeah,
I'll say it. I don't even know the lady. She was accusing me of sexually assaulting her, and she was accusing me and another judge of conspiring to hire a hitman to have her.
What? The judge just revealed that the defendant accused him of sexual assault and conspiring to hire a hitman. That is nuclear-level courtroom tension. Now, legally speaking, when a defendant makes extreme accusations against a judge, it can trigger recusal, but only if there's evidence of actual bias. Wild allegations alone don't automatically disqualify a judge.
Killed. I can still handle this case fairly. I think there's other issues going on. I'm ordering a competency exam on this, and I'm going to order it now, and I'm going to continue the bond, and we will have a
This is huge. A competency exam isn't about guilt or innocence. It's about whether the defendant understands the charges and can assist in her own defense. If someone is found incompetent, the case pauses. Treatment can be ordered. Proceedings can be delayed for months.
competency exam, and that's it. I was like taken really aback. I mean, I've had accusations that are false levied against me in 32 years, but that's ridiculous. So, ma'am,
It was a tribute for the newspaper.
You shouldn't get into the details at all.
competency exam is ordered. I'm going to keep you on the case. You don't have the right to hire and fire court-appointed lawyers. If you're not happy with Mr. Schloff, you're going to have to be more specific. I'm not prepared to discharge him now. We'll see how the competency results come back. And we will go from there. And competency exam ordered. We'll set this for arraignment and pretrial. I'm guessing that they're taking at least 2 months, right? So why don't we set this up for sometime in the middle of April? And
Will it be on a Thursday as well?
yes, and I'm not going to remove Mr. Schloff. You haven't given me any reason. I've been around Mr. Ma'am. I've been around Mr. Schloff enough in my career. I have a great deal of respect for him. I would find it hard to believe that he did anything wrong. And when we come back, if you still want him discharged, you're going to have to be a lot more specific about what he has done wrong in this case, okay? But I'm ordering a competency exam. You have to go down and get evaluated, okay? I think this is...
Notice the judge's tone here. It's firm, but it's also paternal. He's not escalating. He's not punishing. He's framing this as help. That's actually important. Judges have broad discretion in courtroom control, but they also have a duty to ensure defendants receive fair proceedings, even if that means slowing everything down.
For your own good. We'll set it for a... Ma'am?
You're gonna send me, I've already had, call our,
I can't hear you, ma'am. You got to talk into the microphone nice and loud.
I've already, worked with what I was trying to do was file charges with the attorney police chief, and he has refused for the last 2 years to file any charges or complaints. And then when they arrested me, and that chief spit.
All right. I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna file that.
I don't want to hear it. I don't have anything to do with that. Listen. I'm going to send you for a competency exam. I think we can help you. Ma'am, do not argue with me, please. That's what I'm ordering. We're going to give her a review hearing date in the middle of April, and we will go from there.
She received a letter from
The Forensic Center. So we need to make sure, do you live at 1795, apartment 119?
My address is general delivery because.
Ma'am, I can't tell the Forensic Center to send it to general delivery and have it gift to you. Tell
Judge,
me you're...
If I can
Well-
interrupt, she does not reside at 1795 any longer. She was evicted from that residence. I know she's moved from hotel to motel over the last several months.
What's her P.O. box?
Ms. Riddle, if you can provide that.
What is it? I hope you go and look at it every day, because don't come in here when you don't show up for the exam and tell me I never got it. I didn't check my P.O. box. I don't know what else to tell you. You got what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm coach.
Yeah, Trenton Post
I
Office.
just wanted to make sure.
So that's where we're going to send the mail. We're going to set a review hearing in the middle of April. When will that be, Heather or?
Judge, we could do either April 9th or April 23rd.
Let's set it for April 9th at 9:30 in the morning. You go down the hall, get your notice, but you have to show up for the forensic. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Sometimes things go awry in our life. We have problems. We're going to try to get you some help. Just let me try to help you, will you please? And I think you'll find out this will work better. Detective, if there's something else to add, I'll be glad to listen. I see no reason for me to recuse myself at this point. I think it's just...
Don't I ask you to recuse when I was in authority before, and,
You asked me to recuse myself?
When you say before, during the pendency of this charge,
I don't think she's
It
ever been...
was when that girl, that she had 3 vicious, unleashed dogs
Ma'am,
that attacked me,
ma'am.
and I asked you to recuse.
Well, okay. I have to have a basis for it. I have to either be biased for you or against you. And ma'am, please don't interrupt me. You have a tendency to interrupt people. There's nothing here that makes me biased for you or against you.
That's a sharp line. Calling allegations laughable walks a very fine judicial line. Judges must remain neutral, even when accusations are extreme. Now, legally speaking, expressing frustration doesn't automatically equal bias. But optics matter, boys.
Okay? Your allegation's so ridiculous, it's laughable. I'm not getting into this anymore. Go down the hall, get your review hearing date. I'll address the issue with Mr. Schloff when you come back. You got to show up for your examination, and we'll let it play out. That's it. Have a good day.
Can I request the FOIA in the court hearing?
Request what?
The FOIA from that court hearing,
What court hearing?
the one where I asked you to recuse yourself.
Ma'am, I don't even know when it was. I don't remember. Well, then you request it, you pay for it, and we'll be glad to type the transcript up. I don't care if you did or not. I'm not biased for you. I'm not biased against you. This is the way I do my job every single day. I'm not going to hear it anymore. Back away from the podium, go to the exam, go down the hall, get your notice, and I'll address all these issues then. Thank you.